everybody, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you all about the reset network settings of your device Vivo V25 Pro. So if you want to learn about these settings of your device Vivo V25 Pro, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the reset network settings of your device.